Oh, hey, A-Gang. Didn't see you there. Blech. I'm just trying to wake up. So, yeah, let me just get ready. We're gonna go outside and I'm gonna start this day. I'm sorry if the lighting is bad for you guys. And sorry about my hand. I'm sorry if the lighting is bad for you guys because right now I still don't have the professional cameras. But soon, I promise to you guys, soon I will have them. I know I haven't been vlogging in a really long time. But yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got my bloomers on and yeah. And I still have the old vlogging setup right there. Anyways, right now, let's go outside. Seriously, I really am sorry if the lighting is not too good for you guys. But right now, let's get these bloomers on, like seriously. These bloomers, they were on, kind of. Give me one tiny second. 3, 2, 1. I got them on. Hey. All right. Right now we're gonna go outside, or just go outside. Bloomers on. Huh? Yeah, it's pretty bad. The damage is pretty bad. As you guys probably know, Orlando got hit by Hurricane Irma, and we got crazy bad damage. Like, look at that. That entire fence, it's on the ground right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can. We had to replace our regular fence with this kind of fence. I can't put a flashback to when the fence was all fixed up like this, but I hope you guys can remember that. This is crazy. Just look at this. This fence is just crazy madness. That's true, but seriously. Our pool is really damaged. Well, dirty. I'd say that, dirty. But yeah. Other than that, we're okay. Your boy's still alive. And yeah, we didn't get hit too hard, but we did get hit pretty hard, to be honest. But yeah, that's basically the house. It's pretty damaged up. Let me show you the outside, like over there. Outside. Let's go. So as you guys could probably see, there's a lot of damages going on. A bunch of stuff. My guess is, how is that tree right there still standing? I know it's pretty hot, it's pretty strong, but seriously, how? A lot of people didn't get too much serious damage. Just the fence is down. Look at over there, our neighbor over there. There was a tree, it was like bent. It was like bent and stuff, and I wasn't able to show you guys, but yeah, I wasn't able to